Never expected.
We just told you we bought it. What do you need the receipt for?
So racial profiling in stores happen all the time. It even happens to me multiple occasions when I was here. And crazy thing is, like, it doesn't matter what your background is, as long as you are black, like, they would fucking follow you and search and everything else. It's ridiculous and it's sickening, honestly. So story time. This actually happened yesterday. I went over to Sephora and I was gonna purchase some items, right? I wanted to get like the Sephora collection eyebrow pencil, and then I also wanted to get like body wash, right? So before I walk into the store, I'm like looking around to see exactly where these people are, where the people that work are, so that I can kind of track to see if they're really helping or if they're just stalking me for no reason, right? Now, originally, everybody was kind of like in the back or in the makeup section. So I went over to the body wash it's like the body wash / hair section. So I went in over there, started looking for the body wash that I wanted, and then I was trying to look for other body wash. So as I was over there, a person walks up and is like, "Hey, do you need any help?" And I was like, "No, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm just searching." Right? So she's like, "Yeah, don't worry. If you need anything, please, let us know." And I was like, "Okay." And usually people walk away, but no, she stood there. And I was like, "Why the fuck is she standing here?" Okay, great. Move on to another I moved to another section. Another girl approaches me. I was like, "Hey, do you need any help?" I was like, "No, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm just searching." "Oh, okay. If you need anything, please let me know." And she kind of stood there. Then another white couple that was next to me, they was tapping her on the shoulder like, "Hey, we need some help. Can you help us over here?" So she started rotating and walking over to the makeup section, which is on the opposite side of the store. So when that happened, the previous lady comes up to me again and starts like fucking around with the shelves, trying to act like she's actually doing something. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And like they had little earpieces, right? So she was like this. She was like this, and she was like, and I'm like, what the fuck? So she's like sitting there messing with the shelves and stuff, and I'm like, okay, whatever. So I already got my body wash and I went over to the makeup section. While I was walking to the makeup section, I see this lady kind of like following me, but then following me on a separate aisle as I walk toward the like Sephora collection makeup section to get the eyebrow pen. And when I saw that, I was like, okay, this is a bit ridiculous. Crazy thing is though, there was a group of like white teenagers that were in there. It was like one girl and like a bunch of guys or whatever. And they were kind of huddled around. And as I was walking past them, I saw like the girl take like a lipstick and like put it in her pants pretty much. And I'm like, these motherfuckers sitting here following me, and you got this little girl about to steal your damn lipstick. Like, get the fuck out of here. So yeah, that's an experience that I see and I deal with all the time. It's really freaking crazy. Part 2.